Excellency, you may be upon the local time because the head of the judges we want to make sure for our assemblies. I want to run the program of the government, then we will as a result of time, you will see the Honorable Speaker of the County Assembly, Dr. Melinda, Honorable Ministers, and the Excellency allow me to more or less give care of my colleagues at the physical department, so wherever we have these assets, accept my surroundings, but we shall use care and we shall together. Your Excellency, Madam President and my brother is here Honorable Judge, Justice Yekra is also with us. Your Excellency, and my big brother, Eki Amini, then the man is around. Your Excellency, my brother, Marcus, Honorable Exina. Organizations around the Excellency in India, we have immediately back together and the back as you are, both and the system of the family, and two grandkids and the young man, the main secretary and the mother parents, there they are. Yes, I do not know that I know I have said much to welcome and appreciate everybody else, but because of them, Your Excellency allowed me to humbly, and for the first time, as Deputy Governor, to humbly invite you to come forward and address your people.